The community, they love this hospital and they're very passionate about their physicians. And here, the nursing team feels just as strongly for the patients. Fulfilling, that's the word I'll use. I don't think I understood how wide of an area we serve, especially on this side of the state. So we get to interact with people from 5 states.
It's a beautiful facility. It's fairly new in the last 5 years, and there's so much collaboration between each department, radiology, respiratory, the clinic, the hospital, the ER, nursing, housekeeping, all across the board. They all do a great job of taking care of the patients and the facility. It's a very tight-knit community, small town, but it's got a lot to offer for families. From a hospital standpoint, this hospital is really a diamond in the rough in a small town. I'm born and raised in the Phoenix, Arizona area. The last 2 years I've been in Tucson, Arizona as the director of an ER. My wife's family is from South Dakota. We've spent many summers here vacationing, and finally we're able to make the move.
I would say there's a lot unique and special about Monument Health. I would say it's the culture that we have here. We're all a family. The teamwork, when you talk with our caregivers, they love the teams that they work with. They know they can count on their caregiver to help support them, and then the support systems that we have in place to support the teams.
The bulk of my team is seasoned. I have a couple nurses almost 30 years, but I also have some brand new faces, new to the organization, that are joining that team. There's an atmosphere of fun. This team is not burned out. They still care, they're highly engaged, they do extra things for their patients, they do extra things for each other.
And our doctors, they're members of our community. They're people we know, and we meet them on a social basis, and our doctors have a lot of respect in our town. And
there is more going on here from a community aspect as far as things to do on a daily basis. This town offers many opportunities to get out, be part of the community. There's always stuff to do here. The restaurants are open year-round. There are actually some high-end restaurants within Custer that people travel long ways to come visit.
I don't have to worry about my son or my grandkids either. And really, we're not that far away from the big city life. Rapid City's about 40 minutes away. And then there's all these other diverse little communities that surround us, so you can go and see almost anything within an hour.
Custer County has just 3 schools. There's a Hermosa Elementary School, it's K through 8. There's Custer Elementary School, that's K through 6, and then the Custer Junior Senior High, that's 7th through 12th. We're right near the Custer State Park. We're in the middle of the Black Hills National Forest. Mount Rushmore is just a few miles down the road. We've got Wind Cave and Jewel Cave nearby. When the weather's bad, you can go explore in a cave. So I just think that there's all kinds of opportunities.
I love to camp. It's my favorite thing in the world. We also hike. We like to trout fish a little bit, kayak, paddleboard. It's all right here. You don't have to go very far.
And I just feel like the people here are very open and want to get to know you, and we're proud of our community and we want other people to like it too when they come here. So
Western South Dakota is a great lifestyle, and it's a great place to raise a family. Working within the Monument Health system of care, we have an excellent culture. We really focus on the community, our caregivers, quality, and doing the right thing. So if you're considering relocating to the area, we have different resources in place for some positions to help support you in your move. But then also once you get here, we've put in place some housing efforts to help support our caregivers so they can focus on a new career while they're getting accustomed to the area and deciding maybe where they want to find permanent housing. We will sublease you an apartment that some of them are pet friendly. You can bring your pets with you, and they're short or long-term leases. We are always looking for bedside caregivers, especially nurses, RNs, LPNs, support roles. There's also a lot of non-healthcare careers within Monument Health, and we really strive here at Monument Health for it to be a place where you never have to leave. There's so many different opportunities at the bedside, not at the bedside, but also within our community. We have great benefits package, great paid time off. We have tuition reimbursement, we have student loan forgiveness, we have different scholarship programs that our caregivers can participate in.
And when I interview people for a position here and I tell them, and you'll work med-surg, you'll work ER, you'll work the clinic, in 3 settings in fact. It's all growth and development to support the teams, to take care of the patients. They're kind of surprised by what is done here, and I think that's why we're unique.